Brace yourselves, crypto enthusiasts. In a groundbreaking move, Blackrock announces plans to acquire a staggering 21 million Bitcoin this year. While Ethereum garners some spotlight, Blackrock remains steadfast in its commitment to Bitcoin, emphasizing its unparalleled significance in a digital asset landscape. Stay tuned as the crypto market witnesses this monumental shift. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. Starting off with, there is no upper limit to how many dollars the new 9 Bitcoin ETFs can pour into Bitcoin. There's a specific bottom number of how many Bitcoin GBTC can sell until the fund evaporates to 0 Bitcoin. This is the spread opportunity and the window is closing fast. With 60 days, GBTC will have no Bitcoin left to sell. The next one, they make more land every year. There will only ever be the 21 million Bitcoin. Just in, the Blackrock's head of digital assets, Robert Michnick, on client demand for cryptocurrencies. For our clients, the Bitcoin is overwhelmingly the #1 priority. Bitcoin is forming and descending wedge at key support. If this formation plays out, we could see one more stab at the lows before pushing to the pattern's target $70,000. Your best bet is watch things unfold and wait for the correction to be over, slow and steady. Mr. 100 has been on buying spree, fisting below 64,000 with the 15 buys of 100 Bitcoin is in the last 24 hours. That's nearly double the daily issuance. Fist mode on. The next one, history will be made 29 days from today. On or around April 20th, 2024, Bitcoin becomes the hardest money ever known to man and becomes an asset with the world's highest stock to flow, surpassing both gold and real estate. On this halving day, there will be no metric in which Bitcoin does not hold the #1 spot, and there is no second best. Breaking news that Bitcoin is dumping at 59 to 60,000 next support area for us. Just in, the Greenpeace catches hell for misinformation in Bitcoin mining report. The Greenpeace report is total drivel. Here is the reality. Bitcoin miners are important for monetizing abundant and excess energy in rural communities and driving investment in the power grid, says a rhetoric dude from the Clean Spark Inc. Greenpeace catches hell for its explosive Bitcoin mining report. Bitcoin mining firms have collectively slammed the US group's acquisitions about their impact on the environment. Also, I wake up at 4:45 a.m. I go to the gym, I listen to Bitcoin podcast, I get home, shower, eat, go to work, I drive an hour, I listen to a Bitcoin podcast, I work for 9 to 10 hours, I leave for home, I eat dinner, I listen to Bitcoin podcast. This is how you build conviction to Bitcoin. The next one, Senator Cynthia Lummis gets clarity from Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell on the CBDC in the United States. The risk reward of Bitcoin has never been better. Buyers today have less risk owning Bitcoin than at any time in its history, Max Kaiser says. Bitcoin will hit $1 million this bull cycle, Crypto Hayes says, and Bitcoin could soar 266% to $250,000 next year if ETF inflows stay strong, Standard Chartered says. As well as, you don't actually own your house or your land, you're renting them from the government. If you don't believe me, try not paying your property taxes. Unlike a house or a land, Bitcoin in cold storage is a true bearer asset. It is decentralized and cryptographically secure property rights for all of the humanity. Also, I believe in the short order up to 5 years, Wall Street will control 10% of all the Bitcoin ever issued. Then the real games begin. They'll do more to control 10 to 12% than 0 to 10%. 10% is low-hanging fruit in this market, and then come the financial service conference, networking, estate planning, all of it. Also, I try to avoid telling people to buy Bitcoin. I tell them to study it. Why? If you buy Bitcoin without understanding what it is, you will sell early and regret it. Bitcoin will destroy your emotional state if you are not ready for the volatility, like the pullback we're experiencing right now. I know people who sold at 20,000 in 2022 because they thought Bitcoin was going to 0 and now they're kicking themselves. I know people who went all in at the 70,000 because they thought it was going to 100 and now they are panicking. Don't make the mistake of buying anything before you have an understanding of what you're buying. Once you understand that Bitcoin, these drops are an opportunity, not something to be afraid of. We're in a shake out phase, and a lot of people are being taken out because they have no confidence in the asset they own. Bitcoin is the best form of money and that has ever existed. It's better than a gold and fiat. It has a limited supply and the production cannot speed up. It's backed by the most powerful network in the world. Don't dismiss it. Also, there's basically more information which we're going to talk about, as BlackRock prioritizes Bitcoin in his crypto expansion efforts, while Ethereum and others take a backseat. So in a recent interview about the BlackRock is planning for crypto sector, Robert Mitchnick, their head of digital assets, explained how the big investment company is really into cryptocurrencies and what they think finance will look like later on. Even though people are getting really excited about altcoins including Ethereum, BlackRock has made it very clear that Bitcoin is the main focus. While Ethereum gained some attention recently, BlackRock is less focused on other assets. So BlackRock sees less demand for Ethereum. During a casual conversation at the Bitcoin Investor Day hosted by Reflexivity Research, Robert Mitchnick, who leads digital assets at BlackRock, talked about how the company deals with Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, and what they see coming for the crypto world. Mitchnick pointed out that at BlackRock's customers, Bitcoin is by far the most important thing, and with other cryptocurrencies not getting much attention, he noted that even though people who are into crypto would like to see BlackRock offer a wider variety of crypto options, as the company is really focusing on Bitcoin. And Mitchnick mentioned that their clients show a little bit of interest in Ethereum when compared to Bitcoin. He said, "For our clients, Bitcoin is overwhelmingly the number one priority, and then a little bit Ethereum and very little everything else. So most of the money they're going to put into BlackRock by any chance." So when questioned about the possibility of BlackRock rolling out an exchange-traded fund for the meme coin dog with hat in the near future, Mitchnick admitted he wasn't familiar with it, as he pointed out that there is a mistaken belief in the crypto world that BlackRock is planning to offer a wide range of services. That's really not our focus, he clarified. The next one, BlackRock increases Bitcoin holdings to 242,000 despite a record ETF outflows. The world's largest asset management company, BlackRock, has increased the amount of Bitcoin on its balance sheet. And according to website, BlackRock has increased the amount of Bitcoin and its iShares Bitcoin Trust to 242,000 as the volume of assets under management in the fund spot Bitcoin ETF reached $15.5 billion at the current exchange rate. So Fox journalist Eleanor Terrett also reported that BlackRock's head of digital assets, Robert Mitchnick, noted that Bitcoin is a top priority for the company's clients, followed by the Ethereum. And Mitchnick emphasized that the cryptos community would like to see even more crypto products from BlackRock, but this differs from the company's current focus. The crypto community would like to see a long tail of other crypto products from BlackRock, but he says that's just not where we are focused, as we already learned it out. And according to Social Value, on March 21st, IB took first place in terms of capital inflows. It added $233 million to its balance sheet, and the volume of funds under management reached $13.3 billion. That's all the information we got for today's video, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.